Hi guys, welcome to my lectures. Our idea is to make trading simple and short for everyone. I am Queen Modesta and this is Forex Made Easy with Tony Osondo. Okay, today we'll be looking at trade analysis. Now, what do we mean by trade analysis? In financial markets, analysis is a collection of techniques designed to help you make trading decisions. Basically, there are two major types of analysis in Forex. However, some traders argue it to be three, and which we have technical analysis, fundamental, and human analysis. Now, let's look at technical analysis. In the world of Forex, technical analysis is defined as the historical memory and data of price for a given instrument displayed by a chart. The pattern identifies trends, thereby allowing traders to make predictions. Okay, let's moving on to fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis focuses on news and events. It could be issues relation to government or economic policies. Sometimes it is due to sheer volume of currency traders exchange on regular basis or a reflection of the state of the country's economy. Analyzing technically or fundamentally enables traders to ascertain with maximum degree of certainty or accuracy the direction of the trade. The analysis will also allow you to determine the market turning point. Most importantly, it will enable the trader understand the position of the trend. Moving on to human analysis. This is the mindset of the trader. It is also known as sentimental analysis. The trader would want to make decisions for the market, wanting the trade to go his way. Okay. Today we shall focus on technical analysis, which we have demand and supply, the resistance and the support level, which I'm going to show us. For example, all right, I have MT4 platform here, which I'm going to make use of my horizontal line to identify our resistance level. All right, all right, and pick another one to identify our support level. All right, here we are. So here we have our resistance level, which is at 0.91912, and we have our support level, which is 0.86515. All right. Now we need to identify our market turning point, which we are going to use our eclipse to identify. Increase our shapes, then we duplicate it. All right. We duplicate. We identify our market turning point, which is here, here, and here. Here, we have here, here, here. All right. we have here, we have here, and also here. All right, and here also. All right, guys, moving on. We've identified our market turning point at our resistance level. All right, and here our support level. Don't forget that this is demand and supply. Resistance and support level is equals to demand and supply. All right, and if you can see that our market is moving in between our resistance level and our support level. All right, now you can see that the market goes up and comes down. The market goes up and comes down. It goes up and comes down. All right, touching your support level and also touching the resistance level. Don't forget that this is our resistance level and this is our support level. All right, our this is our market turning point. This price is our market turning point. This price here 0.91912, and this price here is our support level, which is 0.86515. All right, so guys, at this point here of the market here, you can see that it's getting to our support level. For me, I will wait for this market to get to my support level before I could buy. All right, good. So I'll advise that you do the same too. You wait for the market to get to the support level before you could buy. All right, so if the market is up at your resistance level, which means it's good to sell. All right, but now our market is at the middle and it's not yet down to my support level, so I'm going to wait for it to come down to my support level before I could buy, take my position. All right, don't worry, next on our next video I'm going to tell you my outcome of my trade. All right, that now, for now, that will be the end of our lectures. I hope you understood everything. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels and also share our videos. All right, bye. Love you.